Hello everyone, today I am going to explain our Samsung interactive panel. This is our only introduction video. We will cover another feature in next video. This is 65 inches Android 11 based panel with inbuilt speaker and stylus pen. That is a dual stylus pen. Dual stylus pen you can write in both sides. You can see the home page. The home page is customizable with multiple emails. As you can see the personalized browsing icon on the screen. This is personalized icon which you can see on the screen, and there is a personalized drive. You can see the documents on the screen. Most below is one key operation like privacy clear, switch OPS and shutdown. Next most common feature is the note, screen share and finder. You can share your screen without using any app. You can use by default feature of your system wireless display, and you will able to see your system screen on the panel. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned for next video.